Hey friend! In this video I wanted to share with you some watercolor lettering. I recently purchased these watercolors. I've gotten one from this, at least one I think, from this brand before, and I just saw these and I thought the colors were so pretty, so I decided to go ahead and order them. And before I got them all opened and started lettering, I thought that I would just turn my camera on. Obviously it takes a little bit of time to get all of these unwrapped, but I just thought it would be kind of fun to show you the behind the scenes, and then I will show you all of the colors. So you will see the colors kind of swatched on that little card that they give you, and then I also went ahead and lettered the names of the colors, and then at the end I can put the timestamps in the description box below, but at the end I do some just kind of fun lettering using these watercolors. So I wanted to share that with you. I have wanted to do a couple of videos the last couple of weeks, but as you might be able to tell, I'm kind of getting over a cold, so I'm not going to talk through this whole video with you and make you listen to my voice, but I will just let the music play. I just kind of wanted to introduce this video and let you know what was going on. Hopefully I will be back with some more videos very shortly. I actually have some plans to get a bunch of pen reviews done, and I was hoping to do this in February, so hopefully my voice will be completely back to normal and I can get those done for you, because I know that you guys have a lot of questions about specific pens. And so leave in the comments below if you have a specific pen that you want reviewed. I will do my best, especially if I already have the pen. I did just recently purchase some new Ecoline brush pens, because I know that a lot of you have been waiting for a review of the Ecoline brush pens, and mine were so old that I didn't feel like it was fair to do a review on them, even though they still work and I like them, but they were just pretty old. So I went ahead and got some new ones of those and another set. So like I said, just let me know if you have a specific pen that you would like to see a review of, or if there's something specific that you guys want to know about pens. I asked this on my Instagram a few days ago, and a lot of people said that they wanted to know what kind of paper to use and if the pen frays quickly. So let me know if you have any other questions besides those, and I will do my best to get those out for you. Hopefully you can watch for those in February. But like I said, I will not make you listen to me for too long. I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to find me on Instagram, you can find me over at How to Handletter. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye.